A lot of people have been made to believe email marketing is dead, but I beg to differ. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use email marketing to generate thousands of dollars every single week promoting affiliate products. And I'm going to show you how to do this even if you are a complete beginner. And also keep in mind, you can use any affiliate network of your choice, be it digistore24.com or clickbank.com. And I'm going to refresh this page to show you guys that you can actually earn thousands of dollars every single week, even if you are a complete beginner. You don't need to have prior experience to do this strategy that I'm about to share with you in this video. And also, if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. Is going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for this mastery course and start earning passive income with CPA and affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to head over to clickbank.com and you want to click on start here. So once you click on that, you'll be able to create an absolutely free account on clickbank.com. And also, if you want to use Digistore24 instead, you can come over to digistore24.com and click on register now. So once you have your account created on either digistore24.com or clickbank.com, all you need to do is to come over to the marketplace section. And once you do this, this is where you'll be able to pick any product from any of these categories right here and start earning money on ClickBank. The next step is to basically come to this search box and you want to type in book. As you can see right here, there are over 800 books that are available on clickbank.com. So once you do this, you want to basically scroll down and select any of these products. So I'm going to be taking this one here as an example, which says the book on it. So basically this ebook is about how to lose weight. As you can see, it's under the health and fitness category. So the next thing you want to do is to basically click on this to check out the landing page of this product. So once you click on that, you are going to see the landing page of this product. As you can see right here, it's a very simple and straight to the point landing page that people can come over and get this ebook. And if you go back to ClickBank, you can see you are going to get paid $8.82. I know this is not a lot of money, but I'm going to show you how you are going to promote it to the right people who are going to purchase this product and make you money on ClickBank. So the next step is to basically click on this affiliate page. So basically, once you click on the affiliate page, this is a page that is made for you by the vendor of this product, where you can have access to resources that are being provided by the vendor of this product. So as you can see right here, they've provided email swipe and banner images that you can use to promote this product. So basically, you want to click on these email swipes. And once you do that, it's going to take you to a Google Docs page where you can basically have access to the emails that are already provided to you by the vendor of this product. All right. So once you come over to this page, then you want to head over to a website called convertkit.com. So basically, this is an email marketing platform that you can use to grow your email list and earn money. All you just need to do is to sign up for an account. And once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And you want to click on this section that says create your landing page. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can choose any template of your choice and start using this to collect email addresses. So once you found a template you want to work with, all you need to do is to click on choose. So once you do that, you'll be able to edit your landing page. Okay, so now as you can see, these images are not related to the weight loss niche at all. All you just need to do is to head over to pexels.com. So once you come over to pexels.com, you want to basically type in weight loss in the search bar. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of images that are related to weight loss, which is related to the product we are promoting on ClickBank that you want to use on your landing page. So once you've downloaded the images you want to use, you want to come to this section that says general style. And you want to scroll down to this section and you want to basically click on this button right here to upload another image. So as you can see right here, this image is related to the product I'm promoting on ClickBank. All right. So now once you do this, you can also change this image as well by clicking on this. And all you just need to do is to go to pexels.com to grab another image and you can change this image as well. All right. So since I'm just taking this as an example, then you want to change this text right here. So basically you want to write something simple like this. Grab this number 1 weight loss guide, why it's free. So basically this is just to increase people's curiosity and make them want to get this ebook as fast as possible. So all they just need to do is to type in their email address right here. This way you can send them more weight loss related products. All right. So for this section that says subscribe, you want to basically change it to download. And now once you do this, your landing page is ready. All you just need to do is to add your ClickBank link to this landing page. And to do so, you want to basically go back to ClickBank and you want to click on promote. So once you do this, you want to click on create uplink, and all you just need to do is to copy this link right here. And then you want to basically highlight this text, and you want to click on this link icon, and this is where you want to paste your ClickBank link, and you want to click on add link. All right, so basically you can do this for this section as well, and you can add your link to this button as well. So once everything is ready and you've added your link, all you just need to do is to click on publish. And now once you do that, as you can see, this is going to be your landing page link, and all you need to do from here is to drive traffic to this landing page, which in turn will drive traffic to this landing page. And once people grab this product, you make money. It's that simple. So all you need to do from here is to basically then go over to similarweb.com. So once you come over to similarweb.com, you want to click on this section that says free tools, and you want to click on this top websites. So once you click on top websites, you want to come over to this section that says all categories. So once you do that, you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in classified. Once you do this, this is going to give you top classified website from any country that you wish to target to promote this product. Okay, so basically I'm going to take United States as an example. So if I select United States and I click on go, as you can see, SimilarWeb is going to give me the top classified website in United States. So basically you can do this and you can select any country you wish to target using this strategy. Okay, and also you can leave this to worldwide. All right, and you want to click on go. So basically once you do this, this is going to show you the top classified website in the world. All right, so all you just need to do is to basically go over to the website and you want to drive traffic using that website. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to promote on any classified website. So basically I'm going to be taking this website as an example, classifiedads.com. Okay, so once you come over to this website, all you just need to do, you don't even need to create an account. You want to basically go to this section that says post an ad. As you can see right here, it's absolutely free. So once you come over here, you want to basically select any category that fits into the product you're promoting from ClickBank. As you can see, you want to select health and wellness right here, or depending on whatever product you're promoting. And here you want to type in any zip code from whatever country you wish to target. Okay, if you don't know the zip code of the country, you can basically come over to Google. You can basically type in United States zip code or whatever country you want to target right here. Okay, and you can basically copy the zip code and you want to come over here and paste in the zip code right here. Okay, so for this section, you want to basically give your ad a title. All you just need to do is to come over to this page and you can get ideas of title you want to use to promote this product. So for the description part, you want to basically make sure to include your landing page link right here. Okay, so that once they come to this post, they can see where they can click on the link and they will be taken to this landing page. And also, if you have some money on your hand, you can basically come over to this website called udemy.com. So once you come over to udemy.com, you want to click on this section that says find sellers. So once you come over here, you want to basically select this section that says keyword. And here you are going to see various niches that you can basically click on to find targeted sellers that you want to purchase email list from. You are going to find a lot of sellers in this niche that basically all you need to do is to click on the seller. And once you do that, you want to click on buy solo. And now you are going to see how much you are going to be paying per click. So for this seller, you will be paying 0.45 cents per click. All right. So depending on your budget, you want to basically adjust this accordingly. All right. So basically, if you want to purchase 150 clicks, you'll be spending $70.50. And also you want to make sure to scroll down to see where majority of their traffic is coming from. As you can see, this one, majority of this seller's traffic is from United States and Canada. So once you've selected the amount of clicks you want to use, you can basically promote your direct ClickBank link, or you want to click on this add text. All right. So basically, if you do this, this is where you want to basically come over to this page and you want to copy and you want to basically paste in the email script right here. This is all you need to do right here. And for this section where you are going to basically add your link, you want to make sure to change this to your landing page link right here. And to do that, you want to basically highlight this section right here, and you want to click on this section that says link, and this is where you want to paste in your link, and you want to click on OK. Once you do this, you want to click on checkout. So basically this is a paid strategy if you want to do email marketing, but if you don't have a lot of budget on your hands, then you want to make sure to go over to use classified website to collect emails, which you can promote numerous products to over time. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on one of the videos showing on your screen right now for more ways to earn money online. Drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.